What's up, y'all? My name is Ernesto, aka Precise, and welcome to Dance with VS, VersaStyle's online street dance tutorials. And today, we're going to be learning the hip-hop social dance, the REEBOK. Let's get to it. Alright, y'all, so right before we get started, just a historical reference on this move. So this dance move, this hip-hop social dance move, was popularized because of the Reebok shoe. So when this shoe came out, it was super popular and people were just doing it, and they named this dance after the shoe. Yeah? So, for the Reebok, we're gonna start very simple. Everybody just feet, shoulder width. Yeah? Now we're gonna turn our feet to the right side, and we're gonna go slightly like this. So we're kind of at a diagonal, not all the way, but a slight diagonal, yeah? And the feet are gonna go like this. 1, 2, just for now. Let's try that. Ready? 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2. So I'm going right and then left. One more time. 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2. Now, the next rhythm is gonna go 1, 2, 3. So it's going 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So just watch what's gonna happen, because at the same time that I do the rhythm, I'm gonna turn and I'm gonna face the other side. So I'm going 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so now my body's slightly facing to the left side of your room or the space you're in. Okay? So one more time, let's repeat that. 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay? From there, you just repeat the same thing. Left, right, then left, right, left. And now I'm facing the right side of the room, yeah? So it's kind of just repeating from right to left. And when we do that 3 rhythm, that 1, 2, 3, is how we change the direction that we're facing. Yeah? Let's try those together. 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. One more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And if you notice, I'm also kind of picking my leg up, so I'm not just kind of stepping here. I'm also picking my legs up a little bit. Ba, 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 and ba, 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 ba. Yeah? So that's the basics with our legs. Now we gotta move on to the upper body. So the most important part about this dance is those shoulders. Yeah? So, very easy way to understand this is when we step with the right foot, our right shoulder is gonna come up. Yeah? So if I'm here, I'm going right. Then when I step with the left shoulder is gonna come up. Left. Now when we do that 1, 2, 3 rhythm, the same thing happens with the shoulders. 1, 2, 3. Yeah? Same exact thing. Let's try that one more time slowly. Ready? 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah? Now going to the left side. 5, 6, and 7, and 8, then left, right, left. Yeah, so whenever I'm stepping with that foot, it's also the same shoulder that I'm lifting up. Yeah, it's reaching towards my ear. Yeah, don't think of the ear reaching towards the shoulder or the shoulder reaching towards your ear. Yeah, so let's try those together, right and then left. Ready? 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now, we're gonna face the back. Here we go. 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. One more time. And 1. And 1. Last time, here we go. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nice, y'all. Let's try one more time facing the front. Here we go. 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Nice, y'all. So, as a reminder, this is a hip-hop social party dance. So people were doing these dances and gatherings at parties. So it's not like people came prepared with this movement. This movement just came about in the moment of the party. Right, so people were just dancing, moving, and then all of a sudden people caught this rhythm, bah, bah, and then it just caught on. With that said, people, you gotta make it your own, yeah? So now, this is the basics of it. Boom, 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 boom. But now you can start adding levels, you can start changing direction, you can start playing with the arms, you can do whatever you want. So if you want to play with the arms, boom, 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 and boom, maybe, bop, bop. Maybe you want to hop instead, bop, 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 and hop, bop, bop. Maybe you want to turn, boom, 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 and boom, boom, boom. Yeah, so you can find any way to make it your own. For now, let's try the basic version facing the front, then the back, then the front, then I'm gonna demonstrate some variations, and then we're gonna get to it. So let's try that with some music. Here we go. Alright y'all, so that was the REEBOK. As a reminder, this is a hip-hop social party dance, so I hope that after you understand all the basics of it, which is with the feet, and the shoulders, and the arms, and those rocks, then you can start adding your own flavor and your own swag and make your own. Thank you all so much for joining me. If you like what you saw, make sure to check out the other tutorials on our YouTube channel. But for now, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to get to know more about VersaStyle, make sure you follow us on Facebook and Instagram at VersaStyleLA. And if you want to connect more with me, you can follow me on Instagram at _precise with 3 E's. Until next time, y'all. Peace.